Good evening. Isla ko share sa'yo from this book, the Bible. Sabi sa Romans chapter 12, verse 2, "Do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewal of your mind, that by testing you may discern what is the will of God, what is good and acceptable and perfect." Alam mo, I can say na I know you know kung anong takbo ng mundo, anong sitwasyon sa mundo. Scroll up mo to, mabasa mo yung news na negative. Kung taga Pilipinas ka, parang maya't maya negative news. Every news na narinig natin ay news about negativity. And normalization of evil is nangyayari na. Pero I want you to be reminded, sinabi sa Bible, do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by renewal of your mind. Renewal of your mind in Greek, ito yung tinatawag na metanoia, means you must change your mind. Baguhin ang pag-iisip. Kung ikay may nagkakaroon ng pagkaingit sa kanila, huwag mo isipin yun. Nakikita mo unfair bilang mananampalataya, huwag mo isipin yun. Bagkus, by that, you may discern what is the will of God. Ano ba ang nais ng Panginoon? You will see that even there is a hope on the negativity. There is a positive side sa mga bagay na hindi maganda. Pero makikita natin yung kabutihan ng Diyos. That God still is in control. Kaya nga sabi rito, what is the will of God? What is good, acceptable, and perfect? If you know what's the will of God, then simply to know Jesus, to glorify God, to glorify Jesus. Kaya nga sinabi niya, di ba? He is the Alpha and Omega. He is the beginning and end. Sa Kanya umiikot ang lahat. Even if you read the Bible is all about Jesus. So, ang buhay na ito about Jesus. If it's not about Jesus, do not conform. If it's about Jesus, conform. So, yun lang. It's a reminder para sa atin lahat. God bless.